Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video is one of my most asked about videos that I've done over the last couple of years. I've done this trick several times in several videos for all different kinds of repairs. It is the hot glue trick. I hope you find it helpful. Make sure you hit that save button. You can save videos to your YouTube account. And while you're at it, maybe hit that share button and share it on over to your Facebook page or Instagram, wherever you are on social media. That would be amazing. It'll help me out a bunch. Enjoy this trick, and I will put it below in a new playlist called Tips and Tricks, and I'll see you on my next furniture flip. Bye, you guys. Right, so we have a break here. That's pretty significant. And a missing wheel. If I try and put a wheel back up in here, it is going to just split the Bondo away from the wood, and it's gonna be a waste of Bondo and time and effort and all that sort of stuff. So the best thing to do in this case is just to remove all the wheels. Before I glue it, I'm gonna hot glue this part here, this whole section, as a mold so I can recreate it for the other front leg. So here we go. Let that dry. I'm pretty happy with that. Very cool. I still can't believe this works, but anyway. And that is gonna go right here. I'll fill that with Bondo. Now, before I do that, I am gonna put a couple of nails all the way through here, here. It's gonna stick out at different lengths, just so when the Bondo dries in there, it's like rebarb, my dad was telling me. He also does concrete, so there you go. You're welcome. Tips from Wazza. Looks like a nightmare. Okay, I just need a smidge more. It's like a volcano on top. Right, it's not going to be perfect, but hopefully, I don't know. Let's just see, huh? Yes! You guys, it's always a great surprise. Pleasant surprise.
Is it perfect? No. Is it better than what it was? Yeah, I think so. It now looks like a whole leg. So, pretty happy with that. So here's the leg, right? And I want the legs to have more of a natural stained look. This is not going to take stain. I'm just going to do like a painted stain effect, and this coffee bean is really nice. It's like a dark walnut.